Hello everyone and welcome again to this video about Kakobuy. I will share with you how to use coupon codes. So friends, log in your account with your all information and then go to your orders. From the order you have parcel, you have different things, custom, you have accounts. So in this case, friends, I use this option, user center. This is user center. From here you have the 19 coupons. Just click use now this one, and then you can use this coupon from your any shipping product. Just click use now. You have $15 off. Click use now. This is the case if you want to purchase or shipping, you can use this coupon. If, for example, have any product you want to purchase, you can use this different as you can see, different coupon codes. You have actually a lot of coupon codes. Just click use now this option, and this is how you can end or export the data of this coupon. You can save a lot of money. Just select any item here. For example, choose a knife or something like this. Click agree. For example, you have any product, and then in the checkout page you can use at the checkout page this your coupons. You can use also Google for Kakobuy coupon code. Can use this coupon codes, can get up to $410 when you sign up with new user. So guys, just register from here and then you can use this coupon codes. So any question, friends, down below in the comments and I will answer your question.